is Monday, June 14th, and today is the day of my little party, little cookout, little barbecue, whatever you want to call it. And guys, I feel like I had so much accomplished, but yet there's still so much more, because like I feel like time is gonna catch up on me. So currently the time, my phone is out in the living room, but currently the time right now is like a little bit after 9, and I have a makeup appointment at 11 o'clock, but my makeup appointment, they are spin, so it's gonna take me like probably, I'm just gonna give myself an hour to say I have to leave out to go make the makeup appointment. And so I'm gonna try to leave her at 10, but like there's still so much stuff to like get done. I didn't want like water from like mixed drinks then, because I didn't want to use like the tank water or whatever. I want like natural fresh water with like, you know what I mean, like I come from pump. So I have to find a way to go get that. I need the drinks them to go on cool and everything, and the guys them just come to put up the tent and the little tables them or whatever, which they're supposed to come here from yesterday, and I did decide to come this morning. And like no, everything is just like all over the place. So show you guys know, then just put up a tent there, and then the 2 tables there, and I guess that the table for the cake or whatever. I did want 3 rectangle tables, but I guess they didn't have it over, so I just have to work with that. See, chicken them there, I did go for earlier today, the seasoned frozen chicken them. Now I'm about to go take a shower and put on some little clothes to go leave and go do my appointment. And yeah guys, I just feel like everything is just not going according to plan. Babes have to go and go pick up the chef so he can start cooking stuff. I don't know when food I got done, but I know that I have to make my makeup appointment fly high or fly low. You know what I mean? Where's me sending me deposit already at $6,000 for do my face, and me sending the girl $3,000 already. I hope she get it, because yesterday me go at the JN bank and transferring money to go get her. Oh guys, me just have fret to like everything now go something there, and like decorations to put up, table for set and stuff, and like I just my boyfriend alone, like me not no other like help, nobody where I like push for, you know what I mean, or whatever. I just me and him, which while I mean in a life, I mean it's just you and your spouse, right? But yes, oh god, if it wasn't for him, I don't know what I would be doing. Like he's like up and down, like making calls and like trying to get stuff done, so I applaud him for that. If you're watching this, I love you. And okay guys, so I'm just gonna get ready, put on one look of tights on, one tank top, and then wait for him to come back so we can go to Spain. And while I'm doing my face, he's gonna go to Portmore and go pick up a cake. Alright guys, so it's almost 10 o'clock and I have to go, and he's still not here yet. And now I'm here blowing up this huge balloon thingy, and I forgot to get a balloon pump, so I can use my mouth. Alright guys, so I just finished the balloon thingy, and this is how it looks. Took me like 5 to 10 minutes, and I'm just waiting for my drive to my next appointment. And I feel like I'm gonna be late. I only hope the girl can accommodate me, because then I'm gonna be super mad because I'm gonna miss out on my deposit. And the deposit, guys, I am freaking stressing out right now. First of all, I was a little bit upset with Beers because I mean he was picking up the cook and everything, and my appointment was for 11 o'clock, and it was like, and they come about 10:30, 10:35, 10:40 or whatever. So I said, call the girl and see if like she can, if I could reach her like 20 minutes late or 30 minutes late. First of all, the girl gonna say she was gonna go to halfway tree and she didn't know nothing about appointments and stuff. First of all, if you doing my makeup, I'm a book to your site or whatever, you know, my sister, you have an appointment for 11 o'clock or whatever. So no. So no, she I gonna say she I gonna try reach back at town by 12:30 or whatever. So then I guess me and babes I gonna just go pick up a cake and or whatsoever. Boy, everything just in Monday up there in my car and saying I have stuff for when the oven, buy up my cabbage and stuff, no cabbage and did them and I don't know which way the cabbage turn and like guys me just stress out. B, we have to go buy water.
Why? You have a collect this stuff?
B, water, like bottled water.
Yeah,
Jesus Christ, man, it's just so good.
You're hungry though?
No, I'm not hungry. Guys, I can't be mad at him because I am up and down and sitting in there, but when I have someone to play.
Just 1 minute ago, B.
Yeah, I was cussing.
1 minute ago. Oh.
Alright, you want me to start you want me to start cuss again?
No.
Alright then. Come and tell him say, yo, guys, me tell him say when we come from what she yesterday. How was that? It hit the car?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ, the people didn't care. Anyway, guys, like I was saying, yesterday when we come from Ochi, the gas did done. So I said, B, make we get gas from tonight. No, B, we'll get your man and we'll go pick up a guy, the cook or whatever. Which while that take bowl a gas station to which part we staying or whatever, about a good 15 to 20 minutes or whatsoever. That could have cut shot and then we could have come earlier and up, you know, hopefully install cook and stuff. So by the time I get back, all I'm gonna do, I just take a look of fresh, come bed already, just take a look of tidy up, put on my clothes. Hopefully I could get my face done. I don't even know if I can get my damn face done because my appointment's supposed to be 11. No, she had to about some 12:30 or whatsoever. Boy. Never again, guys. Never again. I'm not coming to Jamaica come keep no farmer, nothing to do with cooking or whatever. Unless I can get married. That's the only time. And I come back and say I keep no party, no family reunion, no Christmas sitting, no nothing like that at all. Come I can't manage. Can't manage. What? You know what me said just said, me not plan to keep nothing like that. Unless me are married. I don't know if me are married. Me say unless me are married.
So that's supposed to mean?
Maybe what's that supposed to mean? Guys, we like this. Look on his face. Alright guys, so I guess we are gonna make a man now, and then hopefully by the time we go pick up a cake and stuff, you girl ready for me. Guys, I love Jamaica, but I swear I just will eat a freaking full and bandulu people will live here. I swear the customer service and everything I have to do with business and stuff at Jamaica is just like it no good at all. First of all, the girl with my makeup and stuff, I gonna be like an hour and 30 minutes late, which I booked my appointment for 11 o'clock. You know, call and say red, pay, or nothing like that. I just called the cake place, make a month and say, yo, we on our way now, if we go pick up a cake. Let me call and make sure say cake ready for pick up time. When we on the phone, I gonna say, oh, we don't have no chocolate cake or whatever. If plain cake, alright. So shouldn't you call me and tell me, say, Ray, we don't have chocolate, can I get this? Or I'm trying to accommodate. They're gonna say they've been calling babe's phone from morning. And when I see no missed call from Mega Mart or whatever. So if I didn't call and I showed up, I wouldn't have no cake or nothing. Like, you understand? Like, I'm just like so freaking fed up right now. I shouldn't be going through this type of stress. And I don't even know, like, honestly, I'm at this point, I'm mad that I spent like all my money for like constantly I come keep one little birthday celebration in Jamaica because it not benefit me. Well, in Jamaica, it go benefit. People are gonna eat and drink and gone and what? You know what I mean? Like, we just stressed so, and I'm just furious. I'm upset. You know, we don't know, guys. I'm furious right now. We're just furious. Me done vent, you know. So me and B are on our way to Mega Mart. The pickup time at 12 o'clock. By the time we reach, the cake's supposed to be ready and stuff. But then could I just simply say, Ray, oh, we're not out, because I did order chocolate and vanilla, like on top of one another. I just plain like and chocolate and my flavor, but it's whatever. Hopefully everything just goes smooth from here and I can still get my face done. Guys, I don't even know where to start. All right, so all right,
We're going to Mega Man, you know, I said I was going to go pick up my cake or whatever. Remember, I just told you guys that we had called like 30 minutes before. I said, Ray, you know, they say I can't get chocolate, I get plain. So we're going to Mega Man, right? We're going there about 5 minutes before we asked, hey, can we come pick up the cake for Mikayla or whatever? Then say at 12 o'clock a cake pick up. So I said to myself, so what's 5 minutes before? You know what I mean? So me have if it say a cake not ready or no. We come 12 o'clock. We go back there 12 o'clock and say, oh, can we pick it up? We have to go wait. Guys, me see a yellow and a pink frosting. Me say I'm a cake, a yellow do. The whole time the cake wasn't ready, it wasn't nothing, the cake just had done or whatever. If you guys did need more time, no, come tell us at 12 o'clock or whatever. It coming like when we call at just that time, they gonna make a plain cake or whatever if it go something there. Me can't stand Jamaica customer service or whatever. And the next thing will freaking bun me. Me didn't want a girl to do my makeup so bad because me just see her Instagram and me just fall in love with her work and her craftsmanship and everything. Me not gonna really vex with she or whatever, you know, she have a life outside of stuff or whatever, but like it should have been more of a communication because me send a deposit or whatever. It wasn't really organized. She never sent me for WhatsApp or, you know, proof or whatever. Me just sending money to her account or whatever. But long story short, she can't make it for do my face or whatever. She try to send me to somebody else, but like me no want got nobody else, or you know what I mean, because that's she me the one go to. So no, my face not gonna do. Me have to go end up do my face. Although could I do my face from morning, but me just did want like a different look, a different experience. You know, I never got my face done before, you know, on my birthday or whatever. Me I keep on party, me want to look good and stuff. So that's why me didn't want to spend money to get it done nicely, you know, make me look like somebody different. So now me still have to go end up go do it my damn self, which why me never did want to do it. You know what I mean? So no, Babes just text back a girl. You text her back your account information?
Yes, ma'am.
So I just text her back her account information so she can send me about my $3,000 deposit. You know, it's alright. I mean, my granny auntie would have said, boy, y'all go waste money for something you can't do yourself or whatever. Which is right. You know, I can't do my face. But we just did want a different experience. I wonder if you guys understand me. I say, you know, me didn't want to feel more nicer and, you know, just feel real pampered. You know, my birthday. You know what I mean? So how you feel about this whole day, D? How you feel about this whole...
Stressing, man.
You're stressing? Yeah. Why is my baby stressing? Come talk. You don't really talk. Talk louder, they can't hear you.
Customer service poor me.
Yeah, customer service bad. Are you a country still enough?
And a country where you love no more. I mean, I love Jamaica. Huh?
No, I love Jamaica too. My seatbelt is on. I always have on my seatbelt. No guys, I love Jamaica. Like I swear, I really love Jamaica. But I just think they need to work on customer service. That's all. Everybody who I see vlogs said Jamaica people need to work on their customer service. And I don't lie, I true. Work on the customer service. I make people feel more special, you know? Or whatever. If you say 12 o'clock, they say shut down from about 11:30. I saw me staying. I saw me staying. But you know. So now we're on our way back. I think we're gonna stop at Bagwalk and go buy rum. We're gonna Mega Man and we buy cake and we get some water. Here's my little American water. We're gonna get some water. Figure yeah, we're gonna get some water for go on cool for when we go by yard so people can have water for drink. Alright guys, so I just finished my makeup and I put on my clothes and I think I did like an okay job. My cousin just did my edges and then this is my outfit. I want to make someone video record it, but I just had on like a little like t-shirt dress with some sneakers and a little what is it, waist bag. And you know, we decorated the place as best as we could. We got some music going. I think the food is just about ready to be finished, you know. So yeah. So he's still getting ready. I don't know what to put on. See, here's my cousin. Oh. She's breastfeeding. We'll see you guys later. I'm gonna go give everybody the drinks cup for the fruit punch and stuff that we mix, and I'm gonna give them. No, I'm gonna have to give them. You guys can't hear me because of the music or whatever. drinks cup. Sit down there, so. You see the gold one that's easy? The gold, no? And guys, here's the cake table. Where? So this is the cake table. Happy birthday, Mikayla, Denisha. And we have syrup and all this stuff. But and then everybody I go get liquor. I just be sure, you know? And then yes sir, I look up cake table. Look, enough finish? Alright. Enough finish yet. I hope I don't get copyrighted, guys. But over here is the kitchen. You know, we have cut up, we have jerk chicken, fried chicken. It's drink table here. My theme is pink and gold. And then up here we have a little DJ and stuff, you know. So I hope it's gonna go on. Hopefully police will come like we have. You know, because curfew at 9 o'clock. So yeah. She wants to go on video. Our name Redded. That's the colors are here. Redded. No, Redded. Yeah. Watch clean skin. Yeah. You go dance, Peter? You go dance? Alright. She go dance later. See my grandmother and my auntie. We clean up nice. When I drop Heineken, sour beer, Malta, Dragon, I think Guinness too. But we have one experience in our house, but I didn't put everything out.
And it's just too high.
Wait, who? I can't hear you. They sharing drinks. People are lining up with food. Music. And people like over there stuff. Some more liquor because the first crate of liquor done already. So he went to go get some more liquor. So we're gonna try get some food now because I'm hungry. Alright guys, here's the food. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. We have curry goat, rice and peas, pasta and fried chicken. I'm gonna eat this. No. It still look nice. 22, happy birthday, 22. Look for a nice clean coffee there. It's not Denisha. There's a meaning in my bed.
Look like you need proper. Come get this vitamin D power proper. Be ready to start when I reach you.
You know this cookie's for the bag. Kitty, baby, get her things to rest. Cause you done beat it like the 68 Jets. Diamonds are nothing when I'm rocking with you. Diamonds are nothing when I'm shining with you. Just keep it.
Smile upon your face and she thinks with this eye. Calling around to make them gyal a roll out them eyes. Every morning, every evening, I just do this straight back to Saturday.
Go.
One time for the birthday cheer, two times for the birthday cheer, three times for the birthday cheer. Go ahead and bitch your birthday cheer. It's your birthday. Birthday. It's your birthday.
Good morning, guys. Well, no, actually afternoon. So I don't want you guys to say, oh, that's just swear or whatever, but yesterday I never picked up the camera to vlog or whatever because the day before yesterday was my party. You guys saw some of it. I didn't get the chance to close out that vlog because I was too busy drinking and dancing and like enjoying myself. I couldn't really pick up the camera because I didn't want to have the camera on me while I was dancing and drinking, and then like my camera go drop or something like that, and you know my camera too dear for that, you know, plus it was a gift. So yeah, you know, me have to cure it or whatever. But it party did nice. I really enjoyed myself. I got some footages on my phone. Obviously you're gonna see that vlog before you see this one, but yeah, party did well nice. Everybody enjoyed themselves, you know. It was good for the most part. It should have happened longer, but you know, curfew and dirty and Drew and well 9 o'clock and city, you know, people gone out there yet, but it was okay. Yesterday I did not vlog because I had to clean up the place, and you know, I just relaxed because I was just tired or whatever. I didn't do anything yesterday. No, today me and B say good morning. I mean good afternoon. Afternoon, no. Yeah, gonna say afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah. We're gonna go out on the road. We have to return back a guy's sound box. Somebody come play it for us, but they left their sound box with us or whatever, so we're gonna drop that back off and pay him, the selector or whatever, who was playing the music, so that we're gonna know. And then I really don't know what we're gonna do after that. Probably like really nothing really.